Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive, stock number B9755P. 43,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. This Durango seats 6, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated, rear heat and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 50-50 split folding seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. 506-watt Alpine sound system. 9 speakers with subwoofer. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. It's put into manual mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation to get you where you need to go, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owners. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.